Test your English. First, I blank happy today. Correct. Second one, blank you like pizza. Correct, it's two. Third one, she blank not at home. Correct is fourth one, we blank our homework every day. Correct, do. First sentence, they blank not ready yet. Are correct. Second one, what blank she do on weekends? Correct, does. Third one, I blank not like coffee. Correct, do. Fourth one, blank your brother at school now. Correct is first sentence, she blank to school by bus. Correct goes. Second sentence, my brother blank video games. Correct plays. Third one, he blank like vegetables. Correct does not. Fourth one, what time blank she wake up? Correct does. First question, blank you eat breakfast early. Correct, do. Second one, they blank in a small house. Correct, live. Third one, I blank coffee every morning. Correct, drink. Fourth one, we blank like horror movies. Correct, don't. First one, I will call you blank I arrive. Amazing, let's go to the next one. Second one, blank it rains, we will cancel the trip. Amazing, she gets nervous blank she speaks in public. Good. Next one, we will go to the beach blank it's sunny. Perfect. First one, you can stay blank you are quiet. Correct. Second one, she was cooking blank he was watching TV. Amazing. Number three, I will help you blank you promise to listen. Amazing. Number four, he was sleeping blank I was working. Amazing. Number one, I have lived here blank 2019. Amazing. Number two, she has been tired blank 3 days. Good job. Three, we have worked together blank high school. Amazing, good job. Four, I have not eaten blank 7 hours. Good job. Number one, I am blank in history. Good. Number two, that class was really blank. Excellent. Number three, he felt blank after the movie. Nice work. Our last question. This book is blank. Perfect.